Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.